The Ostrów Island project will be located on Ostrów Tumski in the place of the old Garbary city power plant. There are the Cytadela Park, Market Square and Archcathedral Basilica of the St. Peter and Paul in the closest vicinity. Most of the area is surrounded by the Varta River and the city canal. In line with the local zoning plan, which guides the development of the area, the coal market, located in front of the engine and boiler buildings, will be a new centre of this part of the island. The coal tower will become the architectural landmark of the square. Apart from the connection with the Cytadela Park, the Ostrów Island inhabitants will use the central axis for communication. That is a specially designed passage from the coal square through the powerhouse building to the viewing spot. The coal square axes will ensure efficient communication of the Ostrów Island with the part of the city on the other bank of the Varta River. Some of the new housing developments will be arranged with viewing axes overlooking the Cytadela. The railways part of the island will accommodate office and apartment buildings. The urban planning for this area is based mainly on buildings facing the embankments with shifts which will dynamize the central axis. The historical developments of the Ostrów Tumski, that is the engine, boiler buildings, power switching station, treatment plant and water pumping station, the Rune Fort and the retaining wall will get a second chance at life. Also, the historical crane will be moved to the coal square, which will add to the industrial style.